Machines and tools have become our daily necessities, sometimes seeing how they work is satisfying, just like we will see in a moment. These assembly line robotic arms can apply sealant with pinpoint accuracy and install it to the car body. This type of robotic machine is one of the key recent automotive industry revolutions since 1900s. Using a lawn-grade vacuum cleaner machine, which has up to 100 kg capacity, these piles of dry grass and leaf can be sucked in effectively. This vehicle is called Paver Machine, a construction equipment needed for laying asphalt perfectly on a road, bridges, and so on. Other than laying asphalt, it also provides minor compaction to make the asphalt layer more durable. Instead of picking up used shuttlecock one by one, indoor badminton owners are often using this two-handled giant flexible scraper to collect dozens of it. In order to repaint car parts, the first step is to remove car paint effectively. You can directly use a high-pressure chemical sprayer. Or you can also dip it in paint removal chemical substances, then do removal with water. This car hood is sprayed with high-pressure water to make it clean for repainting. This is metal Treadmiller. It used to make a tread for bolt on various metals. Controlled by a computer, this machine can make perfect tread on tungsten, steel and so on. This robotic printer can be attached to any flat surface or board. It can move on the Y and X axis based on computer input. With the ability to draw letters and figures, it is very handy for certain office meeting needs and education. When you don't have cement, you can build a wooden pole using construction foam. This construction foam can replace scaffolding to keep the structure in place or concrete to build permanent structure. There are also paste construction foam that can be used to glue bricks together, just like shown in this video. It has excellent adhesion capability and quick drying. Want to make fancy disco light in your bathroom without adding up to your electricity bill? Now you can do it with this small water generator. Weeding crops is one of the most essential processes of farming. It improves the growth of the plant and also the nutrients supplied to the soil. With advanced farming attachment, weeding crops can be done quickly and properly by farmers. Instead of planting it one by one, this ingenious machine can lay hundreds of onion seedlings in under 1 minute. Here you can see how a yarn ball is made using a rotary machine. It's very pleasing to the eyes. Metal quenching is a process of cooling extremely hot metal back to its room temperature state. This process must be controlled so that it is not too fast, which can result in brittle metal. Here you can see all-in-one metal cutter and shaper are combined in one machine. It is very handy and overall reduces the electricity consumption. Can you tell which way this vegetable cutter blade is spinning? It's spinning clockwise, but because it's so fast, our eyes perceive it conversely. With this giant chainsaw attachment, a tree can be removed safely with its root. and later on, it can be planted elsewhere. This is how keyboard letter marking is made. It is usually engraved using rapid-moving UV laser on top of keycaps. When dealing with plumbing or woodworking, sometimes we have to make a circle marking. Now you can do it anywhere easily with this smart tool. This CNC machine can create super intricate tiny engraving on top of metal blocks to create decorative figure. Equipped with 0.1 mm rotary drill, it can spin up to 55,000 RPM. We are happy that you are enjoying it until this point. Please consider subscribing for 10 years of good luck. And as always, have a nice day. Using multi-hose attachment, car washing can be done more flexibly. The water can reach more hidden spaces and even on top of the hood. Here you can see the coffee glass pot making process. First, glass raw material is heated until somewhere right below its melting temperature. Then it will be shaped and extended by a series of assembly line machines. The last step is making more complicated curves and edges, which is still being done by human. This is 3D concrete printer. It is widely used in architecture to make realistic miniature buildings for showcase purposes or real-size buildings with a larger printing equipment. This conveyor machine is precisely selecting chicklings based on their weight. This selection process is necessary for delivery and stock raising purposes. Here you can see advanced seedlings assembly line, which consists of a soil layering machine and seed planter. A soil layering machine is used to apply an even amount of soil to each pot, then the seed planter will transfer seedlings to the pot in quick succession. This seed planter can transfer 20 units of seedlings all at once. Here you can see the pelletizing machine is working to make holes in aluminum metal for industrial grade chimney.